Hello, I am Joshua Humphreys, comedy novelist, historian, and head tutor at the New Cavalier Reading Society. Since growing up with an aunt who had only 3 VHS tapes under her television, Indiana Jones 1, 2, and 3, I have been obsessed with the adventure of history. And now, with a history degree in hand, through the New Cavalier Reading Society's History of the World, I'm able to share that obsession and that passion with you. Our histories explore more than 36 different cultures, civilizations, and eras from ancient Greece to the Vietnam War, and in our History of the World, you build your own semester by selecting 6 of those histories. Then, each week, you'll receive a specially researched and novelist-written essays that dissolve all academic barriers that enshroud complex subjects and which retell the incredible adventure that is world history. Every week, you'll be able to schedule, whenever suits you, a one-on-one discussion with your tutor, who is me, so that I can elaborate on what you've read, clarify anything that needs clearing up, and answer all of your questions. I'll also, in tutorials, be able to tell you all the random cool stuff that doesn't make it into the very super serious essays. Stuff like how Voltaire really loved ice cream, and Joseph Stalin twice tried to assassinate John Wayne. And that is how the New Cavalier Reading Society's History of the World works. You choose your own history subjects, you read our novelist-written histories, and you have one-on-one tutorial discussions with your very own private history tutor. But read on, because there is more to tell you. You also receive books, rare and exclusive.